little artists! Are you ready to draw something fun today? We're going to draw a swing cradle. Grab your black markers, and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw the top bar of our swing cradle. Draw a horizontal line across the top of your paper. Next, we'll draw two A-shaped stands on either side. Draw a diagonal line down from each end of the top bar, then another diagonal line to meet it at the bottom. Connect these lines with a horizontal line to form the crossbar of the A. Cool! Now, let's draw the ropes that hold the swing. Draw two vertical lines down from the top bar for each side of the swing. Great! Now it's time to draw the cradle. Draw a curved line connecting the ropes at the bottom. Then, draw another curved line below it to form the seat of the cradle. Our drawing looks amazing! To make it pop, let's go over the outlines with our black marker, making them bold and sharp. Now it's time to bring our swing cradle to life with some beautiful colors. Show your color pens. We're going to use rainbow colors. Cool! Red color. Orange color. Wow! Yellow color. Color. Awesome! Blue color. Purple color. Wow! Brown color. Awesome! Bottle green color. Fantastic job, little artists! Your swing cradle looks so colorful and fun. Hello, little artists! Are you ready to draw something super sweet and cute today? Let's draw a cute chocolate bar together. Grab your pencils, and let's get started with a rough sketch. First, let's sketch out the basic shape of our chocolate bar packet. Draw a rectangle for the packet. Next, lightly sketch the chocolate bar peeking out from the top of the packet. Great! Now let's add some details to our sketch. Draw a ribbon on the top corner of the chocolate bar. Also, sketch a grid pattern on the chocolate bar by drawing small squares. Now that we have our sketch, let's go over it with our black marker. Start by outlining the packet of the chocolate bar.
Wow!
Next, let's add some cute eyes and a smiling mouth on the packet to give it a fun personality. Now, outline the chocolate bar coming out from the packet. Don't forget to add the ribbon on the top corner.
Awesome!
Finally, draw the grid pattern on the chocolate bar by outlining the small squares. Our drawing is complete. Let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Wow! Looking awesome, isn't it? Our cute chocolate bar looks so adorable. Let's start coloring and say the colors together. Yellow color. Pink color.
Cool!
Indigo color. Dark brown color.
Awesome!
Yellow color. Light brown color. Nice job, everyone! Your cute chocolate bar looks deliciously adorable. Great work, little artists! Your cute chocolate bar looks amazing. Keep practicing and making wonderful art. Don't forget to share your drawings with us. Until next time, happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.